You're like, me. Let's go a little slow.
Hey, be careful, man. Play the trumpet right now. Who's Ashy Larry?
Oh, you gotta watch Dave Chappelle if you don't know who Ashy Larry is, bro.
Dusty Knuckles? Dang, dude, why you do that to yourself?
You a fool, bro.
Why do you do that to yourself?
What?
Call you Dusty Knuckles, Ashy Larry? Dang, you throwing yourself under the bus like that.
You a fool, Tyler.
I think we,
No,
What? Okay, so now.
All right, guys. Are we there?
Yeah, we're there.
It was a pain to get this ring off, not gonna lie. But having the right tools is everything.
Explain why that was a pain.
Because, you know, for one, this ring probably hasn't been off in somewhere between 6 to 10 years for the pump to be replaced. But see, these arms here that are coming off of these attachments coming off here, they're soft when you start prying on them. So what I had to do is get an open wrench oil filter remover. Came out a little suspect. But yeah, we had to get an oil wrench tool to be able to get this off. But now, it's ready to go. What we're gonna do right now.
This is a big reveal, dude. You can't do this. Like, you gotta put some type of confetti around it.
No, I'm joking. Like, it's gas! No, I'm joking. All right.
Whoa.
Let's go a little slow.
Hey, be careful, man.
Oh my god, what's going on here? Oh.
Is there barely any gasoline in there?
Oh, there's plenty of gas. I can see the gas, buddy.
I hear it dripping, man.
Yeah, because it's coming off the pumps, bro.
That looks ate up, bro.
Just a little bit. Look, this completely destroyed this rubber hose. We need to take this off and inspect it to see if it created a leak.
Dang, that gas ate all of that.
Yeah, look at the filters. Look, it's just...
And that's what you get for sitting, for almost 10 years.
With a half a tank of gas in it, you know? So all this corrosion and stuff, this all on here is because it sat for so long. See, this stuff right here is probably, well, thank God we pulled it out the way we did, because it may not be in the tank, but it could be. We'll run some flusher, we'll end up flushing the system again to make sure there's nothing else in there. It's coming apart since it's been out in the air now. Yep, that's it.
So the thing is, that's aftermarket pump, or is it stock?
These are two aftermarket pumps.
You guys took the case off of it, or did it not come with a case? Because most fuel pumps come with cases on it.
I know, these are just open just like this. This one's sitting actually in a factory location, and this secondary one was added on to that.
Yeah.
So they sit side by side by next to each other. This is a sleeve on this one, and this is a sleeve they added on extra. So what I'm going to do right now is take it apart and see what's going on with it. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to, man, fuel. Fuels. Woo, it's beasting over here. That's why I took my ring off. Everything else, it will dry you out.
Sometimes it's
Technically,
good.
Technically you should have gloves on doing this stuff, you know?
Technically, but Rico don't play that way.
I'm old school. I like feeling what I'm working on. That part's good. We're gonna do this one here.
And Dr. Rico, I didn't know you were a doctor, bro.
I need a doctor, to bring me back to life. Okay.
All right, so what are we gonna achieve mostly by taking it apart? Just trying to see if they're bad or if we need to clean them?
Oh yeah. I mean, so far looking at them, it's enough corrosion here and enough things to show me that these need to be replaced.
It's a lot of corrosion.
There is.
That boot isn't even the same color.
No, it's pretty bad.
And these filters right here, I mean, they're toast.
Yeah, completely
They're gone.
Done. So that makes sense why the old Supra don't want to idle right. Especially with this boot right here being completely, I mean, look, I just took this off and the zip tie completely broke. That's how,
Well, plastic's prone to break over time like that, especially getting eaten by it.
That's how ancient this stuff is. I'm gonna undo this line right here. Oh, look at that. Came off pretty smooth.
Just popped out like that, dude.
All right.
It's always good when it's smooth, slippery. What? Okay, you know it helps.
You said when it's what?
I said when it's wet and slippery.
Oh, Jesus.
I think that's what I said. I don't even know.
Oh, no. He doesn't even know what he said first.
Oh, Jesus.
Kelly Clarkson.
Why have I not heard that in a very long time?
40-year-old virgin, bro.
You're right. I've seen that.
Right,
That's
bro.
the thing
Right.
I've seen, though. I've seen that. Most of the movies that you say I haven't really seen because, you know, age gap.
Oh, it's like that, bro.
What do you mean it's like that?
See, guys, you talking about my age. You heard it, didn't you?
I said
because of the age gap. Because of the age gap. You calling me old, son?
I'm not calling you old. I just said age gap. Doesn't mean you're old. You could
Yeah,
be.
that's true.
You could be 3 years older than me. I could say age gap. Oh, whoa. Hey, watch out. Hey, whoa. He's got a weapon.
I don't know what you're talking about. I got a pair of snips.
Snips. Just like how you call them. These right here, your bibs.
Those my bibs.
They're overalls, dude.
Tell me what's the difference between overalls and bibs?
Tell you what the difference is? I said it the other time. Do you want to hear it again?
Yep, I sure do.
Okay. Tell me that bibs are what children wear when they're eating food, okay? Oh. That's what bibs are. Overalls are what you use that are like that. They cover your body, they cover your clothes. So when you need to take your clothes off, you don't have to put them in the wash or throw them away. Because some people, you don't. You Because actually some people have so bad of jobs that they actually use the overalls like one time and have to throw them away just because what they do is that bad.
Correct. You're right.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I ain't say nothing, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Boop, 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 boop. I'm sorry. Okay, this is Walbro fuel pumps. Guys, you know, when you make a horsepower, Walbro's good brand. So, I'm gonna look up some specs on these and get 2 of these girls ordered.
You know, surprisingly, whenever I think of a fuel pump, I think of something like that entire thing is the entire pump, but it's actually not. It's just all the mechanical pieces that work together to make those pumps run.
Now, guys, look how corroded this line. Lines are not supposed to look like this. Look at this, it's melting literally.
It looks like a Tootsie Roll, dude. Taste it. No.
No.
He was thinking about it.
I need to go to the hospital, Tyler. Kick me right now.
He's on the ground. Help me, please help me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It looks like Play-Doh, honestly. It doesn't look like Tootsie Roll. It looks like Play-Doh.
So guys, all of these clips and all this hardware is going to be replaced. I'm gonna get a new line. See, this line is supposed to look just like this one. There's supposed to be a few line, just like, I doubt this is few line, and if it is, it's just a really low grade, because it's not supposed to dissolve like that. So what I'm gonna do is order more.
Gum, dude.
Because it's literally completely 100% ate up from the fuel. What I'm gonna also do, I don't want to hurt anything, so I'm going to set this back up, because we gotta keep all this stuff good. This is the fuel float. So if the fuel is in the tank, it comes up to a certain point, and that's what reads to the gauge to let you know where your fuel level is at. It sits down like that means you're empty. It's up full like this, that means you're full.
I didn't know that. That's news to me.
That's news to me.
I don't think, I'm saying it again, I think I picked it up.
You said that's news to me.
That's like 0 decibels, dude.
0 decimals? You want me to go lower?
No, I'm not saying go lower. What's that? Does that prepare you to go with a deeper voice? How does that work?
It does, brother.
What?
It make my voice a lot deeper.
Okay. I'm gonna try it then. I'm gonna try it, okay? Okay. So you go high to go low. High to low. That doesn't make sense though. Because you're going high, then you go low. That doesn't make any sense.
Did you ever do choir or band?
Oh, so you're a choir kid?
I actually am a band kid. I played the trumpet for 12 years.
Play the trumpet right now. What is that?
I mean, how I play trumpet like I got my trumpet right here. Oh, let me get it out of the back of the car, folks.
That's not like a flute.
No, flute's like this.
What is that? Dude.
A flute out to the sides, buddy.
I think you're just...
A clarinet is this way. Like a
That way?
Like a saxophone. You know, trumpet. You hold it here with your finger.
Okay.
You hold it back here with this one. You got these 3 on the keys. So that's how you control the 3 keys.
I didn't sign up for a music lesson.
But then you hold it like this, and when you start blowing, you get that Louis Armstrong voice coming out. Towards the skies of blue.
No. Yep.
Why are your glasses like that, dude?
Because they just fell off my head. and it's dark out. I don't need them.
I don't want to do the high to low.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like I can't do it. I feel like I'm like gonna destroy my voice box or something. That's possible. I thought there's a water fountain right here.
So I was gonna drink it?
It looked like it. It looked like you went.
What's wrong with this guy, folks? You have an off day today, Tyler?
An off day? Every day's an off day for me. This guy wants high to low. I keep saying I want to do it, but I'm not going to. It's because I don't know if I'll do it. I think I'll break my voice box.
You hear this ridiculousness? Break his voice box. I'm breaking his voice box. Yeah.
Hey, I like how I didn't even see it coming, so if it happened, I was just, oh well.
Yeah, you like, me. That's what's gonna happen.
I just went to go wash my hands, and I forgot I had a cut on it. The soap plus gasoline, once it hit my cut, he heard me scream like Kermit the Frog.
And it's not Kermit the Frog to me. It sounds like a 9-year-old little girl.
A 9-year-old little girl.
He's like, ah!
What is that? That was not me.
Guys, don't let him fool you. That's what I heard him scream like a little girl. I was like, oh my God, is Tyler okay?
No, you didn't. You did not say that. Wow. Wow.
I took like a 4 or 5 minute intermission and ordered these bad girls. We'll have some new ones here, hopefully before Christmas. That'd be nice.
I think they'll be here before Christmas.
Yeah, we get 2 of these with 2 new filters coming in. We get everything put back together. Wait, let's see what we got.
That's the most obvious problem. We changed the filter, we changed the fuel pressure regulator. They were probably gonna need to get changed anyway because they were old and this car has been sitting. Its fuel still sat in those. Now we just need the fuel pumps.
So what happened is when the fuel got in, it actually gelled up. The octane goes away. So what happens is it creates like a a gel type setting. So when we pulled the fuel out of the car, it actually was yellow almost. It was actually a dark yellow compared to this box. Like how this filter looked is how the fuel looked. And this is what caused all of this erosion, because that's essentially what this is erosion.
It is guaranteed just to mess up.
And this is probably a rookie mistake. I probably should have looked at these first, but you know, I troubleshooted everything before got to this point. But it was just one of those things that until we tried everything and until I got everything tightened up under the hood, we wanted to know, okay, when this is done, this is gonna be it. At this point, I mean, we had a good progress, you know? We're gonna stop here just because we gotta wait for these girls to come in.
What are you doing? Are you okay?
Muscle.
What is this?
All right, guys, real quick, before we make this ending, I'm gonna give a special shout out to my boy Matt Cruz at Mustang Muscle. Y'all don't know who he is? You will find out, I promise.
I don't have a shirt like that. I guess I'm not cool enough yet.
You gotta get some turbo life for this action.
You gotta get some wolves in your life. All right, guys, we're done for the day. Surprisingly, got a lot done by just taking the fuel pump out. We got the whole thing out and we examined it. Obviously, it's torn to pieces. That gasoline's no joke. We hope to have these fuel pumps within a week or so, if not 2 weeks. It just really depends on shipping. Just like every other thing, the regulator, the filters. But we found out what was wrong with it. We went from there.
That's true. I mean, on that note, I think we gotta sign out, huh?
I think we're signing out.
So guys, please tell your friends, tell your family, like and subscribe. Avoid me and Tyler here. Deuces. Later, y'all.
Signing out.